Yeah. Thelonious. Hey yo, back to the beginning, it was just me. When I was my only favorite MC. Before the exposure to many cultures, from Afro-Latino bloodlines to some Korean kimchi. Vehemently, between the sheets, I was making sweet love like Method Man to the beat. The new woo deep inside of you, repeat, that's a new groove. She gon' ride the tune, skeet skeet, then I move through. We gon' drive cruise, beep beep, salute the voodoo, smooth times two. Peace D. R.I.P. to the black messiah of the soul Aquarians. I'm neo-soul to the corruption of the Aryan. But I forgot I need to unify my variants. Sure as my lot's growing, I'm deeply rooted in arrogance. I'm no Black Jesus in case you need to know. Lyrically, DMT, death in my ego. Yeah.